Here at Wenyeji TV, we are dedicated to bringing you in-depth coverage of the latest news, events, and stories from around the world. Our team of passionate journalists, reporters, and documentary filmmakers work tirelessly to provide you with accurate, unbiased, and thought-provoking content.
To our viewers, welcome to Wenyeji TV. As we explore together the history and ownership of Internet. This program is produced and directed by JW. The history of the World Wide Web, WWW, and the beginning of the Internet are related but not the same. The WWW is a global information medium that users can access via computers connected to the Internet. The Internet is a huge network of computers that can communicate with each other. The WWW was invented by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN in 1989 and opened to the public in 1991. The Internet started in the 1960s as a way for government researchers to share information. It was funded by the United States Department of Defense and involved international collaboration, particularly with researchers in the United Kingdom and France. No one owns the Internet in full, but parts of the Internet infrastructure are owned by various individuals, companies, and government agencies. The founder of the WWW, Sir Tim Berners-Lee, famously declined to patent the Internet to keep it free and accessible to everyone. The largest Internet service providers, ISPs, own and provide most of the Internet backbone, which includes network access points, cabling, and routers. There are also multiple Tier 1 ISPs that own most of the IPv4 addresses worldwide and rent their infrastructure to smaller ISPs. The Internet and the WWW are not the same thing, although they are often used interchangeably. The Internet is a huge network of computers that can communicate with each other using various protocols, such as TCP/IP, FTP, SMTP, etc. The WWW is a global information medium that users can access via computers connected to the Internet using a web browser and a protocol called HTTP. The WWW consists of web pages that contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements that are linked by hyperlinks. The web pages are stored on web servers that can be accessed by web clients using a unique address called a URL. You can think of the Internet as the infrastructure that allows the WWW to exist. The Internet is like a road system that connects different places, while the WWW is like the vehicles that travel on the roads and carry information. The Internet also supports other applications besides the WWW, such as email, instant messaging, online gaming, etc. The WWW is one of the most popular and widely used applications of the Internet. The invention of the Internet is a complex and fascinating topic that involves many people and technologies. There is no single person who can be credited with inventing the Internet, but rather a series of innovations and collaborations that led to the development of the global network we use today. Here are some of the key milestones in the history of the Internet. In 1962, a scientist from MIT and ARPA named Josiah Licklider proposed a solution to this problem, a galactic network of computers that could talk to one another. Such a network would enable government researchers to share information and resources across long distances. In 1969, the first prototype of the Internet was created by ARPA, Advanced Research Projects Agency, a branch of the U.S. Department of Defense. The project was called ARPANET, and it connected 4 computers at UCLA, Stanford, UC Santa Barbara, and the University of Utah. The first message sent over ARPANET was login, but only the first 2 letters were transmitted before the system crashed. In 1974, 2 computer scientists, Vinton Cerf and Bob Cohn, designed a set of rules for data transmission over multiple networks. These rules, called TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol/Internet Protocol, became the standard for how data is sent and received over the Internet. TCP/IP also introduced the concept of IP addresses, which are unique identifiers for each device connected to the Internet. In 1983, ARPANET switched to using TCP/IP and became one of the first networks to join the Internet, which was then a collection of interconnected networks using the same protocol HTTPS. Other networks, such as ANSFnet, CSNET, and MILNET, soon followed suit and expanded the reach and diversity of the Internet. In 1990, Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist working at CERN, invented the World Wide Web, WWW, which is a system for accessing and sharing information over the Internet using web browsers and web servers. Berners-Lee also created the first web browser, web server, and web page. The WWW made the Internet more user-friendly and popular among the public. In 1993, Mark Andreessen and Eric Bina, two programmers at the National Center for Supercomputing Applications, NCSA, developed Mosaic, the first widely used web browser that could display graphics and multimedia content. Mosaic later evolved into Netscape Navigator, which competed with Microsoft's Internet Explorer for market share. In 1994, Jeff Bezos founded Amazon.com, one of the first online retailers that revolutionized e-commerce and online shopping. The same year, Jerry Yang and David Filo created Yahoo, one of the first web portals that offered search, email, news, and other services. In 1998, Larry Page and Sergey Brin launched Google, a search engine that used a novel algorithm to rank web pages based on their relevance and popularity. Google soon became the dominant player in the search market and expanded into other areas such as advertising, email, maps, cloud computing, and social networking. In 2004, Mark Zuckerberg launched Facebook, a social networking site that allowed users to create profiles, share photos, videos, messages, and join groups. Facebook quickly grew into one of the most popular and influential platforms on the Internet, with over 2 billion monthly active users as of 2020. In 2005, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jod Karim founded YouTube, a video sharing site that allowed users to upload, watch, comment on, and rate videos. YouTube became one of the most visited sites on the Internet and spawned countless viral videos, celebrities, and trends. In 2006, Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, B. Stone, and Evan Williams launched Twitter, a microblogging site that allowed users to post short messages called tweets. Twitter became a popular source of news, entertainment, and social commentary for millions of users around the world. In 2007, Steve Jobs unveiled the iPhone, a smartphone that combined a phone, a music player, a camera, and an internet device in one sleek device. The iPhone revolutionized mobile computing and introduced the concept of apps, applications that could be downloaded from an online store. The iPhone also paved the way for other smartphones and tablets that use touch screens and wireless connectivity to access the Internet. Berners-Lee is widely regarded as the father of the web and one of the most influential figures in the history of the Internet. He was knighted by Queen Elizabeth II in 2004 and received the Turing Award, the highest honor in computer science, in 2016. This is a brief history of the beginning of Internet, its ownership and its relationship with the WWW. This is a production of Wenyeji TV, produced and directed by JW. Keep subscribing, sharing, and comments.